section now, article views 1, where we need to write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. Okay, so we have article ID, author ID, viewer ID, and view date. Article ID, author ID, viewer ID. Article ID belongs to author ID 3, article ID 1 belongs to author ID 3, viewer ID 5, viewer ID 6. Okay. Article ID 2, author ID 7, viewer ID 7. Okay. So this author has viewed his own article because the author ID and viewer ID are same. And here the author ID and viewer ID are different. Okay. And so these are different author ID and viewer IDs. So these are not the same. But here, as you can see, the article ID 3, the author ID is 4, which is, and the viewer ID is also 4. So we can see that total 3 records are there where the author ID and viewer ID are same. 7, 7, 4, 4, and 4, 4. Okay. But in the output, we are getting only 4 and 7. So we need to uniquely identify the records. That is, we need to get only 2 records because only 7 and 4 are there. Because 4 and 4 are also repeating, so we need only 1 record from here. Okay. So write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. Return the result table sorted by RD in ascending order. Okay. So we need uh, unique IDs and in the form of ascending order also. So let us write the query select. We need to select the, I think, author ID because we are getting the author IDs here. But one more thing you can see here that when the author ID and viewer ID are same, that is 7 and 7 are same, 4 and 4 are same, then we can uniquely identify the author IDs which are viewing their own articles. So the condition which we are going to put here is that if the author ID and viewer ID is same, then we will get the author ID. So let us select the author ID from views where author ID is equals to viewer ID. Okay. So with this code, we will get all the author IDs where the author IDs and viewer IDs are same. So according to this code, we will get 7, 7, 7 here, 4 here, and 4 here. We will get 3 records. Okay. So let's give it a try. Right. We have got 3 records. So what we can do is that we want all these IDs in ascending order. So we can put ascending here, order by author ID ASC. Okay. With this code, we will get in ascending order. But one more thing is there that we want all the unique records here. That is, value shouldn't be repeating as they are repeating here 7, 4, 4. We want only unique items, that is 4 and 7 only. So what we can do, we can select a distinct here. What it will do is it will uniquely identify all the columns and only return the unique columns here. And one more thing that we are getting author ID as our column name, but we want only ID as our column name. So what we can do is we can rename this column author ID as ID. So what we have done till now is that we are uniquely selecting the author IDs as ID from the views table where the author ID and viewer ID are same. And after getting the data, we are ordering that data in ascending order. So we can order this uniquely identified column, that is ID, in ascending order. So after doing this, we will get to the required output in our table. So let's give it a try. So yeah, the output is matching here. So let's submit the code. I think, yeah, it's correct now.